Go forward. Press the green button.
Press this one before you go off the cliff.
There. Now press the yellow. Press the yellow button now. Press the yellow one.
Yellow.
Make it go backwards. Press yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Okay, press the green. Press green. Yeah, press it. Yeah, press it. Yeah, press it. Hurry.
This is your captain. Let's play.
Press the button. There. Good job. Good job, Lucas.
Good boy. Daddy's proud of you, Lucas. Can you make it go backwards?
Yeah, it's a remote. Oh, he's saying moat. A moat.
Yeah,
Your captain.